Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new internship for engineering students from various companies. Without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. Before we start the internship discussion, like the video, smash the subscribe. First we have from Synopsys. Synopsys is looking for full stack intern. The location will Noida. Let's move to the responsibility of the intern that handle in Synopsys. You have to implement scalable, maintainable, testable applications. With that, you have to contribute development and validation. Another critical aspect is you have to collaborate with cross-functional teams such as backend, frontend, and product teams. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Final year or recent graduates in BE, BTech, MTech in computer science students are welcome to apply for this role. With that, you have a strong technical skills in line with that knowledge of full stack development and debug tools. Additionally, proficiency in writing clean, efficient, well documented code. Good to have experience with Git based development and familiarity with testing tools. With that, excellent communication skill, problem solving skills, collaborative skills are required for this role. Minimum stipend is 15,000 and maximum is 40,000. This is for 12-month duration. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Nutrabay. Nutrabay is hiring for SG intern. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You have to work closely with experienced developer to build scalable and engaging user interface. With that, you have to optimizing performance, integrating with backend services, gaining real world experience with modern web technologies. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Experience with Git, good understanding of React.js, Next.js, excellent proficiency in HTML, CSS, JS. With that, have some knowledge of RESTful APIs integration and ability to handle troubleshoot debug. This is for Gurgaon location. The duration is 4 months. So if you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from ClimaCrew. ClimaCrew is hiring for application development intern. The location is Mumbai. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You are to collecting, processing and maintaining GIS data layers. With that, you have to analyze and mapping the data. Also, you are working on develop GIS tools, automated workflow, data processing and many more. Here is it. You can read this. Let's move to the requirement for this role. BTech, MTech students are welcome to apply for this role. This is for 3-month duration. 15,000 per month stipend you get. Here are the perks: certification of completion, food, flexible hours, hybrid working. So if you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from again Synopsys. Synopsys is hiring for software engineer intern this time location is Bangalore. Here is the responsibility of the intern. You have to develop, implement and test user experience. With that, you have to collaborate with application engineers, maintaining existing user experience, address customer requirements, handling debugs, troubleshoot. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Should be a graduate engineer, preferably a computer science graduate are welcome to apply for this role. With that, you have a knowledge of programming skills such as C#, .NET frameworks, WPF. With that, good understanding of software development processes and object-oriented programming concept. Here are the preferred skills: knowledge of TCL, TK scripting and testing automation. This is for Bangalore location and duration is same, 12-month duration. Stipend will also same, 15,000 to 40,000 per month. So if you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. That's all for today's video. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.